Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how I made my leave-in conditioner with hibiscus leaf and the aloe vera. Just stay tuned. So this is my aloe vera. Please, before you use aloe vera, always ensure that you soaked it so that the poison in it will be removed, because a lot of people are allergic to it, so it's always good or advisable to soak it before you properly use it. Aloe vera is very good for hair. It gives hair moisture, shine, and also volume. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, ensure you do so, and also don't forget to press or click the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you will be the first person to see it. There are so much you can learn on this channel. On this very channel, we talked about hair generally, everything about woman's hair. This is what you get on this channel. We teach you how to make wig, how to make hair, how to make hair oil and all that, how to make shampoo, everything about woman's hair you will get on this channel. So please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be part of this great community as we begin to grow together. Thank you so much. So now I've finished removing the gel out of the aloe vera bag. So what I did was just to use my spoon to beat it so that I can extract the gel, because it is the gel that we are going to be using on this particular tutorial. One thing we need to know about nature is this. The Bible made us to understand that God has given us all that pertains to life and godliness, including the herbs. The Bible said that He gave us the herbs for our meat. So what we need to do is for us to learn how to consume it, not just eating it. We use it on our body. Instead of you going to be buying some synthetic or adulterated hair cream, you can actually do this on your own in the comfort of your house. So what you are seeing right now is the hibiscus leaf that I soaked. I soaked it with feungrek and rosemary. So I soaked it for 24 hours so that it will be able to soak very well for me to be able to use it effectively. So I'm trying to use the little spoon to measure it, because I'm going to be doing about 6 cups of this leave-in conditioner. So just keep on watching and see how I come up with it. Please, just to remind you again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Kindly follow me for more tips, and don't forget to click on that notification button, because you are going to learn more or so much from this particular channel. So this is my glycerine. Adding my glycerine to the hibiscus leaf. We all know that glycerine also is very good for hair. Makes the hair soft, moisturizes the hair, and then makes it shine, and also helps with hair growth. So just do it to stir it properly so that everything can mix together. So now I'm going to be adding my aloe vera. Going to be adding my aloe vera to it. God has given us nature. We should learn to use it. We should learn to use the nature that God has given to us. It's not everything we buy. Most of the things we have around us, they can actually solve problem for us. They can actually go a long way in meeting our needs. I have this aloe vera at home, and how much is hibiscus leaf, which you also know in Nigeria as zobo. Less than just few money, you can do this. You can come up with this. So we should learn to use that which God has given to us. He gave us to serve as health to our bones, to give us life. So what we are saying right now is a emulsify was. Emulsify was. So I'm trying to measure the oil right now, so because I'm done with the water base now. I'm going into the oil base. So I started by measuring the emulsify was. So after measuring the emulsify was, so I went ahead to measure my ori shea butter. We all know that shea butter is very good for hair also. If you're able to get hold of the original one, you will love it. I forgot to video this part where I miss nutrition just to be able to thicken my leave-in conditioner. So I forgot to video it. It's what I miss with this, with what you are saying right now. I actually missed it with the hibiscus leaf. So you have to mix it properly to make sure that everything is well dissolved. This is my hair growth oil. I made this my own, very potent. So I'm going to add some of them to it so that it can also help the oil to be more effective. When you try this oil, you would love to have it over and over again. Very effective. This oil will make your hair to grow like boom. So it's 100% herbal ingredients, 100%. So if you want to know how I come up with it, there is a video I made for it. So I will kindly encourage you to watch it so that you know how I come up with it. So I have to make sure that I dissolve all my oils, melt it, and also warm my water-based ingredients so that when I mix both of them together, everything will be well formed. So this is where I mixed it. I mixed both the oil and the water together with my infused water. I mean to say, I mixed the both together. So I mix everything together so that it will give me exactly what I wanted. You can see the way the color is. It's already coming out beautiful. You will love it at the end of the day. You can see it's already getting thick because of that Nutri-Soul that I put in it, because I wanted it to be a bit thick. So that is the reason why I put the Nutri-Soul. So what I'm doing right now is to mix it, trying to whip it so that it can give me that butter and a creamy look. So you can see the way it is. You can see how beautiful it is, how colorful it is, and it's already getting thicker. So from time to time I began to turn it, scrape all the edges so that everything can be well mixed. So now I'm putting my essential oils. This is vitamin E, and then also my lavender, and then my tea tree. You can see how creamy it is, so colorful. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. You are going to learn a whole lot from this channel. So you can see the outcome. This is exactly what I wanted, and it gave me just what I wanted. I hope you have learned something today. God bless you. Thank you so much for standing by.